Hello guys. I get a lot of questions about the indicators, and they ask me why you don't use indicators while other people are using them. In this video I'll try just to give you a short explanation and the reasons I don't use them. Now, each indicator is a small strategy by itself. It's a small strategy. Okay? They don't show you why you use this indicator, but they ask you use it. Now why? Because all the charts have these indicators. There are more than 300 indicators. If you Google them, for example, you put a list of indicators, you will find these 300 indicators, the names, okay, MACD and the other stuff, RSI and the other stuff. All these are small strategies that are based on price, okay, because it's technical analysis. The problem is they are lagging indicators. What does it mean? They tell you about the past, but they don't tell you about the future. Okay, they don't predict anything. Okay, so I can see the stock with my techniques better than using indicators. For example, stop loss, I don't use indicators. Okay? Anything that I do, I don't use indicators. Okay? Because all these are, for me, old information. And the most important thing, there are some people who use a lot of indicators in the chart, and the chart becomes stuffed with all these clouds, with hundreds of lines, and then you can see even the stock where it is or where it was. Okay, you see all these colorful things on the chart, and some people, if all these indicators are not good, they will never trade. Okay, they will seek that all these indicators giving them signal to buy or to sell, 2 or 3 or 4, and I see that in some videos online, and it is a big problem. Okay, because instead of using simple things and using simple strategy, you will be making a lot of strategies in one strategy. So you are using a lot of strategies, but you don't know. And each indicator has its own strategy, its own way of doing business. So when you put a lot of indicators, believe me, you will be more confused than before. Now, see my charts that I put online, check them. You find them all simple. Even the volume, I don't use it. You say to me, oh, the volume you don't use it. Yes, I don't use it. Okay? The only thing I see the volume is to see if the bid and the ask are tight. Mostly 1 cent. That's it. You find a stock that it is millions of volume. I understand that the bid and the ask is 1 cent. For example, let's say a stock is 2 million. 2 million volume. What does it mean? I know that the bid and the ask could be $10 for the bid, $10 1 cent for the ask. It means between the ask and the bid is only 1 cent. For those who don't know what does it mean bid and ask, okay, ask, it means the price that the market maker asks you to pay in order to buy the stock. Bid, if you want to sell, you sell with that price. Now, I like always liquid stocks because the bid is always tight, 1 cent. I don't want to see a stock that it is the bid is $20 and let's say the ask is $22. I don't like that, and I will never buy this kind of stocks because the volume is so low that if you buy 22 and you decide to sell because you don't like it or because there are some problems or the stock is going down, believe me, you buy $22, you are selling to them with $20. You see, you will be losing $200 if you buy 100 shares, just like that. And the market makers like that. That's why I don't want to feed market makers with this kind of volume. Okay, I don't want that. If you are always confused between this, please send me an email. My email and my website is always in the description at the bottom. Check my email, send me an email, and I will explain more and more, and I will give you more information if you want. But the main thing I'm telling you is that I don't use indicators. If you are using them and you are making money, it's good for you. But if you are following me and you want to get my own training and teaching, it will be so easy and so different from all what you have known before. Okay? It's easy because the techniques I use are easy. Okay? It's not indicators, because an indicator, you don't know even how it works. You should study it as a whole training, and you see what are the risks from this using from this indicator. Okay? And as I told you before, these are lagging information, lagging indicators. They give you the past, yes, and the past you can see it without these indicators. Okay? And the funny thing is, you find two lines, if they cross, buy. If they cross again, sell. This is stupid. If you follow this, you will lose all your money because trading is human. What does it mean? It means the person who buys or he sells is a human being. A mutual fund manager, when he buys millions of shares, he is a human being. He thinks what he buys, he thinks what he sells. So telling me that all the stock market is all machines, is all softwares, no. The big thing is human. They decide which they want to buy, which they want to sell. So it is a human. So it's not only for example, automatic thing. That's why people, they want trading software. Oh, they say trading software. I rented or I bought this software. I put $5,000 or $10,000. Okay, in the next year it will be $1 million or two, because this software, okay, it knows how to trade. This is not true. And believe me, if you use them, you will lose all your money and maybe you will be in debt. So try to know where you put your feet when you are in the stock market. Try to learn the right way. Understand what you are doing. This is what I am doing in all my teaching. Understand what you are doing. When you want to buy, what is the reason? Why you buy this stock? It's not because I see this in my dreams, that someone comes to me and he says, okay, this stock tomorrow will be going up, so at 9:30 buy, and at 4 o'clock sell, you will have $1 million or $10,000 or whatever. Okay, if you are following these dreams, either dreams in sleeping or dreams online, when you watch other people speaking about millions of dollars and this, and you are broke, you have $500, you know, we try to be logic always. Okay, try to be logic. The people who have more and more and more money, they will make more and more and more, because they have what we call buying powers. Someone who has $5 million or $10 million, he can buy more stocks, and if they go up, he can make hundreds of thousands or millions of dollars because he has money. Okay, if you have $500 or $200, and it will be eaten up by commission in just 1 month, your account will be wiped out. So try to put some numbers on papers and try to see. You will find by yourself that it is impossible. But if you learn the right way, even if you have 5,000 or 7,000 or 6,000, you can begin to make money slowly, and you can make good trades. As I have made a video before called how to make thousands of dollars from a small account. Yes, you can. Okay, this depends on the stock that you are in. It should be, most of the time they are small, $7, 6, 5, 8, 9, 10, as the stock that I am in. Okay, I bought it like $13.50. Now it is, I think, $20. So you see, I will be making a lot of money from it. Okay, a high percentage, and this will make you thousands of dollars. This is for sure, because you make this trade. Okay, so the good thing is, when you know what you are doing, it's enough. Okay, so thank you very much. If you have more questions, please send me a private message and I will respond in due time. Thank you very much.